Children, open your Enjoy and Learn English book, part 1, page number 32. Till QR, I thought just you have to read the picture reading you have to do now. S, what is this? Capital S, small s. S for snowman. S for snake. S for sun. S for snail. S for spoon. So you have to match the spoon to S letter and give any color for these both the capital and small letters. Next, capital T, small t. T for top. T for telephone. T for tiger. T for tree. T for toy is here, not octopus. So you give color for these both the letter and match the toy. Next, turn the page, children. Q for queen. Q to queen. You have to match. And then R for rabbit. S for sun. T for top. So this you have to match, children. And then next letter is U. Next letter is U. U sounds A. U sounds A. Capital U, small u. U for uncle. U for up. The dog is up on the tree. Up means upper. U for under. Under means niche, down. U for under. U for umbrella. U for untidy. Untidy means the things are spreaded everywhere. This looks very, this looks not a neat. Untidy it looks. That's why U for untidy, not a was. So you give color for V, U and match this untidy. Next, turn the page. V. V sounds her. V for violin. V for van. V for vase. V for vegetables. V for vulture. You have to color this V, both the V and match the vulture. Next, W. Capital W, small w. W sounds W. W for wood. W for walrus. W for wall. W for well. W for windmill, not a van. So you color this W and match the windmill. Next, turn the page. Now, how much do you remember? Now see, children, already you are doing reading work. Now what is this? This is a walrus. What is this? Walrus. V for walrus or U for walrus or W for walrus? So W for walrus. So you have to do the circle on this W letter. Next, what we can see in this picture? Was. What is this? Was. V for was. That's why you do the circle on this V letter. Next, what is this? Umbrella. Umbrella. U for umbrella. That's why you do circle on this U letter. Understood, children? Next, X. X for X sounds ch. Capital X, small x is this. X sounds ch. X for X-ray. What is this? X-ray. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree also, Christmas tree also. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas card. Christmas card is called Xmas card. X for xylophone. What is this? Xylophone. Next, X for Xerox machine. What is this? Xerox machine is this. Give color for this X letter and match the Xerox machine. And then this is what tree. Don't match this tree. Next, turn the page, children. Y for egg. Y sounds ear. Capital Y, small y is this. Y for egg. Y for yo-yo. Y for H. Y for yellow color. Next, Y for egg. आप एग्स खाते कि एक खाते हो क्या? उसमें से बीच में येलो कलर का रहता है ना, उसको हम बोलते हैं यॉक. नेक्स्ट, Y for yolk. Y for not a wood. This you give color and match this yolk. Next, last letter Z. Z sounds Z. Z for jeep. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z for zigzag. Z for zoom. Not a walrus. So you have to give color for this Z letter and match the zoom. Do you understood, children? Next, this how much you have to remember. Practice test is this. Practice only is it. What is this? Sun. Sun. Which letter is comes for first letter? What is the first letter for sun? S for sun. That's why you do the circle on this S. Next, what we can see in this picture? Well. What is this? Well. W for well. So you do circle on this W letter. Next, umbrella. What for umbrella? W for umbrella? No. U for umbrella. That's why you do circle on this U. Next, what we can see in this picture? Zebra. Z for zebra. You do circle on this Z. Next, X-ray. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. X you have to do the circle and then vegetables. So V for vegetables. You do circle on this V. Next, what we can see in this picture? Egg. What is this? Egg. Y for egg. Do circle on this egg. T for top. Do circle on the T. And then what is your writing homework? This is your writing homework. Understood, children? Now you have to match the letters, capital letters to small letter. You already know. Q. Where is the Q here? Small Q. Find out. And here is the small Q. So you have to match. R where? This you have to do the homework. If it is not possible for you, I am explaining again. In your notebook, already Q and R you written. Today you have to write S, T, U. These three letters you have to write in your 4-line notebook and send your 4-line notebook homework also and workbook homework also in my number. Thank you.